It's a 2000 Chevy Tahoe Limited LTZ Z71, whatever you want to call it. There's a dual battery installation on here. Right here, my auxiliary battery is a yellow top Optima. And on this side, I have the main battery red top Optima. And over here on this end, I have a Norton industrial battery isolator with a high output alternator also. Motor's still clean. Got 152,000 miles on the truck. It runs almost brand new. Yeah, it runs almost like new. But you know, about 11 years old. Still doing what it's supposed to do. The setup on this is real simple. Just follow instructions. Right here you have alternator right here, battery 1 right here, battery 2 right here, and that's basically it. You have a little E-post right here. When you turn on the ignition, this sends a current to this post. That allows these two batteries to be recharged. That's basically what that is for. Also, battery number 2 has to have its own fuse box, just in case anything happens. It doesn't backfire back to the isolator, also damaging the alternator, anything else like that. So it's real simple. First off, you have the alternator itself, which runs from here and come over here, and you hook it up to this post. And you have battery 1. It runs from here to the car's main original battery box, fuse box, which is here. And from here it splits the charging system to the red top with the power that runs to the main fuse box of the car under the hood. That runs all the way along to back here. That's basically it. And you come back over here. You have post number 2, which is also battery number 2, the yellow top. Runs from here all the way along to here, where I hooked it up to a fuse box, heavy duty fuse box, which then run across the car, across the radiator fan, and all the way around to the yellow top right here, where it charges the yellow top. So that's basically it. Installation is real simple. That's what I had to do to get this thing to run. And then on the back firewall of the car, I have this little red wire running from the ignition switch to the outside of the car, right along all over here, behind the coolant reservoir, to right here, and then it follows underneath, and then in between you can see a little fuse relay right here for this. You have to put the fuse on here also, that way it doesn't damage the ignition switch or anything else like that. And between the fuse and it comes to right here on this post. So it went from here to the fuse box, and the fuse box all the way along behind the coolant reservoir, all the way around the car to the ignition switch. That's basically the setup of the dual battery that I hooked up on the truck.